Hello, welcome to kwik-learn for easy learn. So today we are going to do the question number from question number 5, 4, 5, 6 of question of exercise 6.4. Already we have uploaded the question number 1 to 3 of 6.4 as well as 6.1, 2, 3 in the previous sessions. So if you didn't check it, please go through the same. We have given the link in the description box. Question number 4. ABCD is a quadrilateral. ABCD is a quadrilateral. We have to prove AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. That is sum of all sides. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is greater than AC plus BD. Okay. So again we have to prove the diagonal. So again we will take the same type just like previous one. That is in triangle. First we have to consider this triangle ABD. Okay, because we have to take AC and BD. So we have to consider these two triangles. One is ABD and the other one is ABC. Okay, and from here two triangles are there with a common base AB. That is DAB and CBA. Right. So one we will consider this triangle DAB and CBA with AB as the common base, and the other one is ADC and BCD with CD as the common base. We have to consider these two triangles with AB as common base and CD as common base, the other two triangles. Total we will take 4 triangles. Okay. So let us first consider the triangle with AB as base. So in triangle DAB, we have to take the diagonal, right? So we will take the sides as a sum. AD plus AB is greater than BD. AB plus AD is greater than BD. And second one with the same common base, that is in triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, again AB plus BC is greater than AC. We will put that reason as sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. Okay. So this is equation 1. Now this is again same reason you have to write. This is equation 2. So we consider two triangles with the same base AB. Now we have to consider the other triangle with the base as CD. In triangle ADC, the sum of two sides, that is AD plus DC is greater than AC. Okay. Again the same reason, sum of two sides of a triangle is always greater than the third side. And next in the other triangle, that is in triangle, which one? That is BCD. BCD. By BD is the diagonal. So BC, BCD, BC plus CD is greater than BD. Again same reason, equation 4. Now we will add all these equations, equation 1, 2, 3 and 4. Add 1, 2, 3 and 4. We are adding all these equations. That is AD plus AB plus AB plus BC plus AD plus DC plus BC plus CD greater than of this side BD plus AC plus AC plus BD. Okay. Now let us see. Here AB plus AB 2AB, BC plus BC 2BC, AD plus AD 2AD and CD plus CD 2CD. And here also BD plus BD 2BD, AC plus AC 2AC. So let us write 2 into bracket AD plus AB plus BC plus CD DC greater than that, also that side BD plus AC, because all are of two types. So we took 2 as common in this side and this side. These two will cancel out. So we got the answer. AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is greater than AC plus BD. Right? AD plus AB plus BC plus DC is greater than BD plus AC. Hence proved. Okay, right. Question number 5. ABCD is a quadrilateral. Is AB plus BC plus CD plus DA is less than 2 times AC plus BD. In this question and the previous question, in the previous question it was greater than, but here it is less than. And so there will be some difference. If it is in the previous question, now it is greater than, so we can use the sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side using the diagonal one. But here there is some twist. So according to the question, according to the right hand side, we have to change the method. So in this one, let us draw the quadrilateral. Okay, A, B, C, D. Now we have to connect the diagonals also. In this one, we have to, let us give the name at the intersecting point as O. So in this question, we have to take these triangles separately, just like the first question. That is, in triangle ODC, we have to take DC, we have to take BC, AB and DA. Okay. So in triangle ODC, in triangle OBC, in triangle OAB and triangle OAD, we have to take all these and we have to take the sum of this one. So let us first take the triangle this one. Okay. In triangle AOB. In triangle AOB, what will we have to do? OB plus OA, that is OA plus OB is greater than AB. Again same thing in triangle this one, first triangle, second triangle, third triangle and fourth triangle. In the first triangle AOB, OA plus OB is greater than AB. Sum of all two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Okay. So OA plus OB is greater than AB. That is the equation 1. Next, in the triangle AOB, now we will take a triangle BOC. In triangle BOC, again the same thing, that is OB plus OC is greater than BC. Right? Equation 2. Again the reason should be same. Okay. Sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now in the third triangle, that is in triangle COD. COD, CO plus OD is greater than CD. Equation 3. Now in the fourth triangle, that is triangle AOD. Okay, the fourth triangle. In triangle AOD, again sum of two sides, OA plus OD is greater than AD. Okay. Again you have to write the reason, sum of two sides of a triangle is greater than the third side. Now we have to add all these equations. Add 1, 2, 3 and 4. So let us add OA plus OB plus OB plus OC plus OC plus OD plus OA plus OD. Greater than, in all we have put the same symbol as greater than. So greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Right? We got the same thing. AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay? We got the same thing. Now, let us add OA plus OA. 2OA plus OB plus OB. 2OB OC plus OC, 2OC, OD plus OD, 2OD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay. Now in all of these 2 is common. So let us write here 2 bracket OA plus OB plus OC plus OD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay. So 2 this side. Now let us see OA plus OC. What is OA plus OC? OA plus OC, that is AC, right? OA plus OC, that is AC. Plus what is OB plus OD? OB plus OD, that is BD, right? So BD, and 2 is outside the bracket, greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD. Okay. When if this is greater than this one, so if we put this side to this side and this one to that side, that is if you exchange the sides, then the side will automatically changes to the opposite one. That is if you take AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is less than 2 times AC plus BD. Okay. 2 AC plus 2 BD is greater than AB plus BC plus CD plus AD means AB plus BC plus CD plus AD is less than 2 AC plus BD. Okay. So now our proof is completed. Hence proved. Okay. Now question number 6. The lengths of two sides of a triangle are 12 centimeter and 15 centimeter. Between what two measures should the length of the third side fall? But it is given that if the length of the two sides of a triangle's two sides, that is one side is 12 and the other is 15 centimeter. So between what measures should the length of the third side fall? So we have to consider, we can take it approximately, exact we can't do, even we can measure, we can say it approximately between this and this length of side triangle will be that, like this. So here one side is 12 centimeter and one side is 15 centimeter, and we know that the third side, sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. So third side will be, that means the third side will be less than the sum of two sides. Okay. The sum of two sides is always greater than the third side means the third side is less than the sum of the two sides. Right. So sum of the two sides, let us take sum of two sides. Sum of two sides, that is equal to 12 plus 15 is equal to 27. That means third side will be less than 27, right? Because sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. That means third side is less than the sum of two sides, that is 27. Now the same thing with difference. The difference of two sides is always less than the third side. Okay? The sum of two sides is always greater than the third side. Just like that, the difference of two sides is always less than the third side. That means what is the difference of the two sides? Let us say find the difference of 15 and 12. That is 15 minus 12 is equal to 3 centimeter. That is third side. So difference of two sides is less than third side, means third side is greater than the difference of two sides. That means third side, that is third side is greater than 3 centimeter. Right. Third side is greater than 3 centimeter. So third side is less than 27 centimeter and greater than 3 centimeter. Means third side will be more than 3 centimeter and less than 27 centimeter. Okay, that's it. This what we have to find between what two measures should the length of the third side fall. So third side will fall between 27 and 3 centimeter. Okay, I think you understood it clearly. So now we are ending the class today. So we will be coming with the exercise 6.5 in the next class. Okay. So if you like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Also comment, and it will be very much helpful and supportive for us. Thank you so much. Bye.